Japuonjre achiel owito ngimane ka jopuonjre mamoko 5 kod jopuonj e skul primar mar Absalom Katito dhi nyime gi yudo thieth e kar thieth ma Ramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral tok mach muoch kendo wang'o kar nindo margi. Jopuonjre mamoko 4 noyudo thieth e osiptal ma Nyaka Sub County kendo wegi thuolo gidok pacho. Komanda mar obila ma Kisumu Alphonse Wambua nolero wach masira no kowacho ni joma norwaki e thieth ma Jomo Kenyatta Teaching and Referral ni gata malo 60 mag wang' kendo gidhi nyime kod thieth ka pod iyango gima nokelo masira no.
To the school is that one of the dormitory yesterday night, that is on 21st October 2022 at around 23:30 hours. One of the dormitories, which is occupied by the pupils, especially the boys, caught fire. We managed to break the door and assisted the banned pupil plus a teacher who was inside this particular dorm to get out. Due to the band, which was severe, they had to be referred to Ramogi Oginga Odinga Referral Hospital. In total, that dorm had 10 pupils. 6 were referred to Ramogi Oginga Odinga, who were really in serious condition. Out of the 10, 3 were treated and discharged in fair condition. We have commenced investigations. With me, I have the Sub-County Criminal Investigation Officer, who is with me here to conduct the investigation.